is our student. Andrew has been surfing for a while. He's just trying to get better than what his level is. So we are giving the lessons to polish things on his surfing, and that's very much what we have been doing. So he's in Peru. He has to learn how to go into the water by himself. He knows how to do it in his own beaches back home, but here in Peru, he cannot read how the ocean moves, where the currents are, and things that for better level, for advanced maybe, it's easy to do it when they travel. But he's traveling now, and he needs to learn those things. So that's why he came to my surf camp Peru, to learn all those techniques. And that's it. We are doing it. We've been here 3 or 4 days, 3 days already. The third day he tried by himself. Then he decided to get some lessons, to be more comfortable and learn more. And now he has 2 lessons. This one is third. We are going. Now he's on the point break. He's gonna try to catch first the right hand wave instead the left one where the other guys are. To be more, to be alone surfing, to get more chances and to be comfortable. So this is south of Lima. We are happy to be here, and we are happy to meet Andrew and all our students. Go Andrew, turn! Andrew, turn! You try it. Next one! That's yours! For sure! Paddle hard! There you go! Whee! Good try! Good try! Another one! That one! Try it! He tried to give it up, but we tried to encourage him. This one too! We tried to encourage him to catch it. So that's what the coach normally do. We are gonna try to go. There you go. And he left. There you go, he's stand up, he's surfing it now, and that's how our class is about. For his level, yes? There is other levels, you need to push them, of course, you need to be like a motor behind them, but he has that already. He knows, like I said before, he needs to polish how to read wave, how to manage to come back and things like that, yes? So now he's doing it. I'm gonna see if we are still recording. Good, we have good time. I'm gonna turn it off for now. So see you later, guys.